Frogs are fascinating amphibians with unique adaptations. They have permeable skin, allowing them to breathe through it, even underwater. Their bulging eyes provide a wide field of vision, essential for hunting insects. Frogs possess powerful hind legs designed for jumping, enabling them to swiftly evade predators and catch prey. Their tadpole stage undergoes metamorphosis, transforming from aquatic larvae with gills into terrestrial adults with lungs. Frogs play crucial roles in ecosystems. They control insect populations and serve as indicators of environmental health. Sadly, many frog species face threats such as habitat loss, pollution, and disease, making conservation efforts vital.